Hey guys, it's Ala. I know it's been a while since I did a vlog, so I thought I will come here, say hello. I'm in America and I just got back from a whole week of Disney and it was actually crazy fun, but it was very intense. We would get up at like 7 in the morning, finish at like 10-11 at night, and we do like all the parks. I've never done all the parks. I think I actually was in Disney World when I was 12, so I think it's changed a lot since then. So you can't really quote me on that. I wouldn't remember anything. So yeah, so this was a crazy trip and I did really enjoy it. Like I said, it was really cool to experience all the rides. Like I actually really liked Universal more because of the rides, but Disney was really cool as well. A lot of the stuff was maybe for kids, so you know, if you do it once it's okay, but over and over again it would be too much. So let me know if you ever visited Disney World. I know it's a very popular thing to do. I loved it because I was like a kid. I got candy, you know, I was running around. The food wasn't that good, and obviously the prices there are crazy. So I honestly don't know how people go there for so long. I was invited obviously by my partner, and I went with his whole family, with his mom and daughter, and it was actually crazy. We literally rode all the rides. His mom is like 68 or 65 and she was like going strong, you know, every day with us from 7 till 11. She loves Disney, so it was actually a really cool family trip. And as you guys know, I don't really have my own family, and so it was kind of like really nice to connect with them more and get to know them better. And yeah, it was really exciting. Very tiring. So I have slept now, so I feel fresh and I've recovered, and we moved back. So now I am in America. I'm gonna be here for 2 months. And yeah, it's really exciting. Actually haven't like lived in America for so long before, and so it's gonna be a cool experience to see how I like it. But the plan is obviously to go travel around Europe to see where potentially we're gonna live, which is very exciting and scary because it's like unknown. And I like stability, I like adventures, but I also like stability. And right now, like, there's like no clue whatsoever, but we're gonna go travel and see like where potentially we're gonna live. But for now I'm gonna be in America, so I'd love all your tips about all the food and things that, you know, the work here. Pretty much have figured out a lot of things here, but one thing, of course, I need a car. I'm gonna order stuff online, so it's a bit easier, and I'm gonna go on lots of adventures because it's like you can go hiking here, lots of water. It's kind of cool. As I have mentioned to all of you, I'll be taking a little break from the courses, but a lot of you wanted to do Mochi Course. So we actually are going to be opening our waitlist already today. And you'll be able to find the link below the video and probably an email if you're watching this video, whether on YouTube, on emails. And the waitlist is open. So as soon as you get to the waitlist, you'll be able to get the discount and the best price and bonuses and everything else. Now the course is actually going to be in July, so we're opening it quite early because as soon as we fill out all the spots, we're going to close our waitlist. We're doing it slightly different this year because I'm very busy and I had to move and I had to do so many things around. So yeah, but Mochi Course is only 3 weeks long, and if you wanted to learn how to make mochi and you missed out on coming last year to my Mochi Course, this is your time. It's a short course. It's really fun. Anyone can do it, and it's gonna be perfect. Yeah, so I'm very excited. We had over hundreds of students last course, and it sold out super quickly because everybody wants to make mochi. It's gluten-free, it's egg-free, it's even in the advanced one we have even sugar-free. So if you wanted to learn, it's a really fun experience. And if you want to like mini desserts, or you have family members that like cooking together, it's gonna be perfect for you. But otherwise, in terms of my updates, you know, life is life. It's up and down. I've been doing well. I've left Mexico for now, and I've rented out my apartment for a year. So I've kind of made a really big commitment and decision as things are really moving forward with my life into a completely different direction, which I've always wanted anyway, but it's just kind of happened so quickly. It's kind of not quickly, but it's very quickly because I've always manifested a lot of things and now they're happening. It's pretty crazy, you know. Anyway, I wanted to pop in here just to say hi, show my face, My hair is getting longer, which I'm very, very happy about. And yeah, I'm gonna grow it out now when I have longer hair, just not in my mouth. Longer hair. And yeah, I'm very, very excited about this journey. I don't know where it's gonna take me, but it's definitely a new adventure. I'm also going to Joe Dispenza end of July. So that's going to be very transformative. Again, I'm going with my boyfriend and he's never done anything like this before. So it's going to be huge. It's going to be so transformational. And then in October or September, we're going to actually live Tony Robbins in Germany, which is also crazy. I've never done it before. So this year has been so intense, so much self-growth, so much still working through things, but in a positive way, even though they're hard. But yeah, it's been incredible so far. I'll keep you more updated next week. In the meantime, get on the waitlist for Mochi. Ask me any questions. I'm over here in America. So anything you want me to know or show, maybe you want me to do a different type of vlog, show you what type of foods I buy. Didn't mention it too much, but yeah, I'm going back on carnivore, so I'm gonna actually order some grass-fed, grass-finished meat and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be mainly doing carnivore over here, just because I feel like that's the best diet when you're in America, so you don't get like, you know, inflated, and I don't have any pain anymore. So yeah, honestly, I can't really put what's happening in such a short amount of video, but I will try my best and I'll keep you posted now more regularly. But thanks so much again for watching my videos as always, and lots of love, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.